Assalamu alaikum. In this lecture, we will learn about Swift. Swift is a programming language developed by Apple for iOS and OS X development. Swift adopts the best of C and Objective-C without the constraints of C compatibility. Swift uses the same runtime as the existing Objective-C system on Mac OS and iOS, which enables Swift programs to run on many existing iOS 6 and OS X 10.8 platforms. This tutorial is designed for software programmers who would like to learn the basics of Swift programming language from scratch. This tutorial will give you enough understanding on Swift programming language from where you can take yourself to higher levels of expertise. Let's start Xcode and choose Get Started with a Playground. Choose blank and then click Next. Select a folder to save the file. And here we will write our Swift code. Let's print this message, print str, and this str is a variable, and here is the result, hello playground. So start with let pi. Let is used to define a constant value, so pi and the variable type is double and the value, and let's assign a variable result bool and a value true, and variable marks integer and assign a value 50, and this str is string, so we can define the type string like this, and a loop for character in str and print character, and here is the result. You can see the characters are in each line. Let's define more variables. Var Fahrenheit type float, and variable Celsius type float, and a value 75, and Celsius will be 5.0 divided by 9.0 multiplied by Fahrenheit minus 32, and then print Fahrenheit, and we show the variable values like this, backslash and in parenthesis Fahrenheit. And this is Fahrenheit, and here we will use backslash, and when we run the program, here you can see that Fahrenheit 75.0 is equals to 23.88 Celsius. Thank you very much for watching. If you want to check out more lessons like this, then please subscribe to the channel and like the video. And if you have any question, then leave it in comment section. See you in the next lecture. Take care. Bye bye.